It's a certified 2019 Cadillac Escalade. For a life well lived and every expectation fulfilled. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automated parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V8 engine, hands-free liftgate, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. The only thing better than owning a Cadillac is driving a Cadillac. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 754-220-1690.